Yes, my people, I see the hot. It don't happen, no. Peter Obi don't scatter Tinubu for court today. Tinubu don't bring weakness, make on defender for court. Now the weakness don't confirm, say Tinubu dey involved for drug money. He cause him bring fake ID card come court as he talk say he na lawyer. Man, not talk too much, just watch all wetin happen today. E come be like say Tinubu weakness, he come dey help Peter Obi dey fight Tinubu. As you dey watch am, please do me a favor, do Peter Obi a favor by hitting this like button, by sharing this video so that other obedient they go see wetin happen for court today. Share am if you are obedient, hit the like button.
The order was signed by a Michael of the U.S. Embassy. We seek to tender them. Now so Tinubu and Shetima lawyer talk. INEC talk say no objection. APC say no objection. LP talk say we vehemently oppose admitting these two documents. We will give our reasons in the course of the final address. Of course, we do not consent. So court has admitted these documents and marked it as RA8 and RA9 respectively. Bola Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer continued, we will now go to item 3. Now in this item 3, they say these are bundles of documents which are related to the education records of the second respondent, that is Tinubu's education records. It was certified by one Jamal T., Associate General Counsel, Office of Legal Affairs, Chicago State University. Certification was done on the 28th June 2023. Now so then take talk. Now, there are 12 items including the receipt of $1,000 paid for certification. We seek to tender them from the bar. We seek to tender now. INEC said no objection. APC said no objection. LP said we object to these documents and give our reasons together with our final address. The court admitted the documents, which is related to the educational records of Tinubu. They admit them and tag them exhibit RA10. Now, the Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer continue. Data page of Nigerian passport issued in 2011 and 28th of November 2019. We seek to tender it before this court. INEC, no objection. APC, no objection. LP, we object. We give our reasons in our final address. We are aware that they make una like and share this video, because now this sharing and liking the video, now you dey spread the message for P2B. The court now said the data pages of the two of Tinubu's passport presented has been admitted and tagged as RA11 and 12 respectively. Now, Bola Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer continue. We now take items 6, 7, 8, and 9 together. Item 6 is the second respondent visa to the United States of America issued on 4th February 2011. Item 7 is a visa page of the second respondent issued on the 12th July 2017. Item 8 is a visa issued on 25th July 2019 and visa issued on 18th November 2021. That also is my birthday. They are duly certified by the Nigeria Immigration. We seek to tender them. INEC, no objection. APC, no objection. LP, we object and will give reasons in final address. The court admitted the documents and tagged them as exhibit RA 13, 14, 15, and 16. Next page. Second petitioner forwarding letter dated 5th April 2022 to INEC and second petitioner's register of members for Anambra State. INEC said no objection. APC, no objection. LP, we object and we give reasons in our final address. Court admitted and tagged exhibit RA17 and RA18. Now, Bola Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer continue. We now move to item 12. which we want to tender separately. A report of the Committee of the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria. INEC, no objection. APC, no objection. LP, we object and we give reasons in our final address. The court admitted and marked them as Exhibit RA19. Now, Bola Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer continue. EC8D of Kano State in respect of the election and EC8D-A of Kano State both in respect of 2023 presidential election. INEC, no objection. APC, no objection. LP, this is consistent with agreement of all parties in the pre-hearing, so we are not objecting to the documents. Now, so LP, take talk. Item 13 is the copy from EC8D for Kano State in the February 23 general election, while item 14 is the CTC of the form EC8DA in respect of Kano State for the February 25, 2023 general election. Bola Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer continued. The respondent counsel seeks to tender the above documents into evidence. INEC, no objection. APC, no objection. LP got up and said, we vehemently object to the tendering of the above documents and will proffer reasons for the objection at the final address stage. Now, so LP take talk again. Then court can conclude, say, the items 13, 14 listed in the second and third respondent schedule of documents is hereby admitted into evidence and marked as exhibit RA20 and RA21, respectively. Item 15 is the acknowledged copy of notice of voluntary withdrawal of the third respondent, that is Shetima, from the Borno Central Senatorial election dated the 6th of July 2022. Now, the Bola Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer continue. We seek to tender the above documents into evidence. INEC, no objection. Fourth respondent, which is the APC, also said no objection. But of course, we know that LP will oppose, and here it comes. We vehemently object to the tendering of the above documents and would proffer reasons for the objections at the final address stage. The court now said item 15 listed in the second and third respondent schedule of documents is hereby admitted into evidence and marked as exhibit RA22. Bola Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer continue. In item 16 is the judgment of the Supreme Court in court number SCCV 501-2023 between People's Democratic Party versus Independent National Electoral Commission and 3 others delivered on the 26th day of May 2023. Respondent counsel seeks to tender the above documents into evidence. Now, so the Bola Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer take talk. The court contact say the item 16 listed in the second and third respondent schedule of documents is hereby admitted into evidence and marked as exhibit RA23. Bola Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer continue. Item 17 is copy of page 28 of the Nigerian Tribune newspaper of 23rd February 2023. While item 18 is copy of page 27 of Nigerian Tribune newspaper of 23rd February 2023, we seek to tender the above documents into evidence. Now, so Tinubu lawyer take talk. INEC talk say no objection. APC said no objection. LP got up and said we vehemently object to the tendering of the above documents and would proffer reasons for the objection at the final address stage. The court contact say the items 17 and 18 listed in the second and third respondent schedule of documents is hereby admitted into evidence and marked as exhibit RA24 and RA22 respectively. For this one now, court can go recess for 10 minutes. Now, before we come back from this very recess, I want show na this very thing wey be say then they talk about where them bring. The one wey dey for screen now na the fake one, and this fake one I go see stamp wey dey from there na from INEC, and INEC don bring am come court. So court don see say this fake Chicago certificate dey there, and na him be the one wey come from INEC. Now you see this original one, na the one wey be say you go see say no be from INEC, no stamp of INEC dey there. Na the one wey be say who dey in them get. APC say, do you have your membership papers from the US law, US state law school? He said yes. Excellent. Please give me exhibit PA5. It does not contain any conviction or sentence on it. Witness said no, it does not. Okay. Now APC continued. I don't need to embarrass you. Do you have your US membership, that is the law membership papers with you? The witness said, yes, I do. Then APC said, I seek to tender the New York attorney membership law card here. That is a license here, my lord. The whole courtroom is now murmuring. Why you want tender this man United States law membership license? Well, the Justice Ugo and Justice Ada can be seen talking closely and whispering, waiting this man won't do. Now, the court say, is this American bar or New York bar? Now, so the court ask them. The witness say it is done on a state basis by the US after 5 years. You can move freely across, but everyone is a member of the American Bar Association. Now, so the witness take court. Now, the court can say, but it does not state anything here. The court, the two justices were looking at the card that the man has given them as his license. It does not say New York. I will just call it American Bar from New York. This one is a complimentary card and not an license ID card. Now, so the judge for court take talk. Now, AP say it is not, sir. Now, the court say, witness, is this not a complimentary card? Now, so court, they ask the man. The witness say, it is my practice card. That is to say, it is a license that is complimentary. Everyone where they for court begin to laugh. Now, witness and they ask, as him bring complimentary card, come talk say, na be in license. Witness can say, anyone, I have them many, and anyone is fine. You're not here. Person will get license, how you go talk say get a many. So na complimentary card they carry come court, come talk say na in buy license to practice for America. Now so it take happen. Now the court say which one is the latest? Tell us which one to use. Now so the court take talk. The witness is now staring at the card and then come pass one, go give them, make them for use. INEC come talk say no objection. The APC now talk say no objection. LP come get up say, my lord, to make it very short, we vehemently oppose this purported so-called membership card from American Bar license, and we will state our reasons in full during our address time. Now, Justice Sanami has admitted this card, this complimentary card, as evidence and tagged it as an exhibit before the court. Okay, so to continue, APC said, the last question, my lord, as long-standing friend of Bola Ahmed Tinubu over 35 years, you know what this is, his Nigerian citizenship, that Bola Tinubu Nigerian citizenship is, he is by birth. So now question, where be APC person, they ask him now, say him be 35 years friend with Tinubu, so you know say him be Nigerian citizen. Him talk say, yes sir. Then APC say, thank you, that will be all. Now so APC take end that one. Then LP said, I just want to reach page 60, paragraph 620 to you. Now so in tell court. So Levi reads out loud to the whole court, the whole thing as he take B, as he read them out, the results were not readable. So he has to, that it states that results were not readable and not posted, that they posted it on iRev. Now waiting in read out to the court. Now, in continue, say, my Lord, let me now go to the ECOWAS one, which is the RA 27. Read paragraph 17 for us, witness. So, in tell the witness, make you read paragraph 17. Make you now remember, say, this ECOWAS report, now this witness, now in tender for court today. So now, Dr. Levi also will be this thing, not the act and the question for inside waiting in tender. The witness reads it out. When the witness, as the witness they read it out, he said the witness reads it out loud, and he said that a lot of people were killed, including Labour Party senatorial candidates in the 2023 general election. Noise come plenty for courtroom. Everybody begin to shout because now the witness take him out now, talk him for court, say many people were killed according to that report. Where him carrying hand, carry enter court. Noise full everywhere. Now the witness come talk again, say, after reading the ECOWAS paragraph 17, in come talk say, I do not agree with the report. Make una remember say na this man carry this report come o. Make una remember say Levi Ozoukwu ask am, say according to a report, make you put am. Abeg make you put that very last paragraph again. Make I for show our people something for inside. So this very particular last paragraph now is actually saying that I do not agree with the report. Now the emphasis when I want lay, he said, I do not agree with the report. Now the witness continue that he agrees with the statement, but does not agree with the part of the report. So Levi Ozoku say, come ask and say, so it was, you don't agree. So he now answered, yes, he doesn't agree. So he does not agree with his own report. With that very one, my people, so I beg, like and share. And then make your comment. Say, yes, I was there. And the things that happened are IPOB. See, witness, don't begin to talk about IPOB for inside COP. So LP say, oh, IPOB, this electoral violence in all these places, including Kano. The witness talk yes. So as we talk, this senator will enter as witness for APC today. Talk say IPOB, they do violence for Kano. Now so in take talk. I beg my people, make on a comment for comment section. Now LP now asks them, okay, so for the forfeiture of the 460,000 in the account of the second respondent, the court stated the money represents the proceeds of narcotics. Is it true? The witness said, well, what is contained in the district court was a civil forfeiture and not criminal because section 981, the LP lawyer stop him. I asked you a question. It was for narcotics trafficking, yes or no? The witness starts to stammer inside court. The witness said, yes, it is for narcotics trafficking, and the money was forfeited as a civil forfeiture. So now see say wetin I dey talk before. This man used his mouth for court, confess for inside court that money wey be $460,000 na narcotics money, drug money for trafficking. Now so in take talk. But in contact say it was forfeited as a civil procedure. LP contact say you have not tendered any license in this court that says you can study law in New York. Have you? Now question, my people, the question don't arise again because in tender I'm talk saying a license. LP asks him again, American Bar Association is in talk say I did not. Una see am, in talk say that thing wey in tender no be license, so matter don't change. Now, he said, American Bar Association is a voluntary association. Witness say yes, it is, but you must be licensed in one of the states in the US. Now he say, have you assessed IRF? The witness start to stammer again. Witness say, no, I have not. Stammering. So he never even go IREF, go see what in them they talk. He say, okay, so you cannot tell us it is not blood. That is, you cannot tell the court that the results are not blood. The witness said, I can. You know why then they ask him this thing? Because inside in statements, in the talk say these things no dey blurry. So that's why they may bring that very something. They ask him. Let we continue, my producer. Now, the American court relied on money laundering law in that their decision, right? Now, so Labour Party lawyer Levi Zoku asked him. The witness contact say it was 981 section and not 982. Then Levi Zoku said, did they rely on the constitution on the money laundering? The witness said, it is 982. Naim, the Labour Party lawyer, said, did they rely on it? The witness said they relied on 982. Now, Labour Party lawyer said, did you see the letter that the IG of police gets from the US Embassy? All these questions where then they ask this man, now they are star witness, so now senator, na him be. And when I see how in the stammer for court, witness contact say yes. Now he said, did you tender it? He said it was tendered. Labour Party lawyer continued, did you tender it? The witness said it was tendered. Then the Labour Party lawyer come begin the laugh, say, that is fine. Did the report state any response on money laundering allegations? Now the thing will be say, he asks him. The witness contact say it is a general response. They did not see anything on Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now that very letter where they write, now in they explain, then they ask some question, in the answer something different. Let's have the next slide. Now, Olani Bekun cuts in immediately and say, let him re-answer. How you want make this man answer the question when you don't answer before? But anyway, LP lawyer can say, I am on my feet. You are taking my time. And then the Olani Bekun contact say, your time is up already. I have no business with it. And the court say, go on, Levi Uzoku, the Labour Party's lawyer. So the Labour Party lawyer continued. Witness, does that US Embassy report you brought here today show response on money laundering? The witness said, no, it does not. Very good. So the report does not address any issue at all. My people, when I see waiting and then take action. And my producer project the next one. The witness said, well, the money laundering is not a criminal case. Labour Party lawyer said, oh, okay, that is not what I asked you, but thank you for that response. Tinubu's lawyer can't jump up, say his time is up. And the Labour Party said, that is okay, I'm done already. So the court context said, I hope Levi Uzoku does not have to appear before this witness one day in the Senate. Because as the man be senator, waiting him don't disgrace him for this court today, it go happen. So the whole court come bust out, begin to laugh. Because they really hammer this witness. And even the whole APC, Tinubu and Shetima lawyer, everybody where they call, they carry handkerchief, they clean their face and their head, even as a condition there for inside courtroom. He said, the LP lawyer said, I am not in a hurry to leave. What I am doing here, my lord, that means in talk say, in no go meet am for Senate, in dey happy as being a lawyer where him be. Now for court, in go day, so in no go meet that senator. So now for there, Tinubu's lawyer, Shetima contact say there is no re-examination. When I see him for screen, everybody in the court is in shock. Then talk say, both for APC, both for Tinubu, both for Shetima, say they know they bring any this thing again.
Witness.
My brother, now their defense be this, then don't finish. Now so they take talk.